just knew it was gonna be the bomb. Today I have on a wig. If you can't tell, girl, I have on a wig. It is from Love Me Hair once again. Yes, I love this company. They sent me this 360 slick back wig. It is, I think it's a deep wave if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, it's a deep wave wig. It is a 360. It is supposed to be glueless, but me, I sprayed it down with my hold. I don't use any glue. If you watch any of my previous videos, you will see that I use Got to Be Insta Spray. But girl, these curls are so soft and it feels so good. I did go in and I did bleach my hair, my knots. They do come pre-bleached. So if you don't know how to bleach, they do come pre-bleached, but I just always customize mine a little bit more. I always wash my wigs, or well, shampoo my wigs when I first get them, because I just always want to be safe, especially during this time with COVID. You can never be too careful. But I love to always customize my lace wigs to my liking, as I have always repeated in every single one of my videos, because a lot of people, well, do you gotta bleach it? No, you don't have to. It comes pre-bleached, but for my preference, I like to bleach and pluck. So, it's really soft. When I got it, as soon as I pulled it out, I just knew it was gonna be the bomb. This wig is so pretty and it was so soft. And I like it because it's just your everyday average wig. Like, while I'm transitioning, my hair used to be like this. So I guess that's why I love it so much, because this is like my hair texture. When I grow my hair out and wet it and curl it up, it is my hair texture. So it's just the norm for me. Like, I love it. Like, it's perfect. For my girls that get too hot and they don't really like long hair, this is the wig for you. I think this is either 8 or 10 inches. I'm not for sure. But all the information will be in my description box down below. Just to feel it. It just feels so good. It like I said, I think it is a 360. I know I feel a couple of wefts in here. If you can see that. I'm not for sure. Like, it's a weft right here. And maybe like a couple. It's not many. It's not many in here. This is not the undetectable lace. This lace did come in a medium brown. I did try to tint it a little bit more. If you can't tell, it's lifting up too. So I did try to tint it a little bit with my Wig Gurus, but I mean, it's not too bad. For my light skin girls, it's medium brown. Unless you can find some way to take the color. I know a lot of people lately have been researching how to get the color out. I don't know, but it does come in a medium brown just in case you do want to get it. It's a way around everything. So if you do want to get it for the girls that are lighter than me, I'm pretty sure it's a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. But I love this hair. I love it. I love it. If you want to still, it's the slick back. So even if you don't do a little part on the side like me, I think I'm gonna have a little video in where I do have it slick back. But if you want to have, if you have little hair accessories like this headband came from Cola's hair collection. Her website will also be in the description box. She has an awesome online store with hair accessories. She also carries hair. But I love her hair accessories. I ordered it from her. The shipping was fast, very fast. But if you are a hair accessory girl, headbands are definitely the thing with this wig. It'll be so cute. It's like, it gives it that extra to it. But girl, this wig is to die for. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I know y'all be like, you like every Love Me hair wigs. Yes, I do. I love every single last one of those wigs that I have tried. Love Me Hair is a great company. I think I've only had one wig out of the 4 years that I've been ordering from there. I don't think I've only had like one wig that I did not like. And that was because it was me. It wasn't, the hair on the wig was good. Everything about the wig was good. It just wasn't for me. You know, you have those things that's for you and you have things that are not for you. And that particular wig was not for me. It is soft, get into those curls, like, and I didn't put anything on it but this. That's just to, when I wear it, and this. And that's just to keep my curls with a little bit of a shine to it. But even without it, this hair is still pretty and it still held its curls. Like, and it didn't look dry. You know, you get a lot of curly wigs that look dry. It didn't look dry at all. But I just like the extra to it. Everything about this hair will be in my description box down below. If you do order from the link, click on the link and don't forget to put Tanisha20 for the coupon code for 20% off. I do have my own coupon code. It is Tanisha20. If you want to copy and paste it from down below, copy and paste